一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another round of Conversational Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're paying a lot of money because we're teaching you how to say 多少钱 how much?
几多钱？
几多钱？我们这样子一个月下来，到底是要花多少钱呢？有些基本的费用，比如电话费，这都一定要缴嘛，对不对？啊，有的时候呢，会怎么？我的手机不能用了，还是打不通了？
因为没缴钱哦。
忘记缴钱，对对对。Let's give you a situation where you forgot to pay your phone bill and it's disconnected right now, and so you need to go pay, and someone's asking how much.
嘅手機嘅某天嘅希望都大唔同。
啊，我唔記得幾多錢咧？
幾多錢？我下晝先老唔記啦。
哦，等一下，有朋友愿意帮我付就对了，
就先帮你垫，还是要还，好不好？
对对对对，因为可能刚好要路过，
他刚好要去。
呀。好了，我们来这个一句一句来分解一下哈。
好，
第一句是你的手机没电了是吗？都打不通。
嘅手機嘅某天咧希望。
嘅手機嘅某天咧希望。
都打唔同。
都打唔同。Okay, 都打不通就是都打不通 It doesn't connect 都打不通 But basically your handphone, your cell phone 手機
手機耶
And the person is shocked and goes that's right I forgot to pay my bill 我忘記繳錢了
我唔記得繳錢咧
我唔記得繳錢咧繳錢就是要去繳錢對不對那個繳 that means to pay
繳出去
right that's to pay something and 錢 is actually money so I forgot 記得就是忘記了對哎呀多少錢我下午先幫你繳吧 How much is it? I'll pay it for you this afternoon
幾多錢
幾多錢
我下晝先老唔繳啦
我下晝先老唔繳啦Okay, that means the afternoon I will help and pay this for you first. Okay, let's teach you and review some of the phrases we just put out, such as your cell phone, 手機手機耶 and then it doesn't connect. I can't call in. 打不通打唔通 and then to pay a bill 繳錢繳錢 All right, let's listen to the conversation again.
嘅手機嘅某天嘅希望都打唔通
我唔記得幾多錢咧
幾多錢我下晝先老唔記啦
And don't forget, this whole month, we are teaching you the phrase, how much, 多少錢
幾多錢
幾多錢 And that is today's Conversational Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家
俺是誰張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.